Stuff to do before high school start this fall. Come on, everybody. So stick with us, cause Daniel is gonna do it all. So stick with us, cause Daniel is gonna do it all. Dad, Daniel O's making a title sequence.
Daniel levels up. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. So, I'm gonna be in a video game. It's gonna be cool, but I need your help. Will you help me have a good time in video game land? Thanks. Let's go get our video game. Whoa, we're in the Super Mario Bros. Game world. Fun. Wow, we're in Super Mario's video game. And there's Mario and all his friends. Even that lucky block. Let's just head to the next video game right now. Whoa, we're in Pancake Run. You know, I would have added apples on me. Excuse me. Those cool bins. Nice. That's me in the claw machine. That's a wooden pool table. Those mushrooms are the boss level. That's me with the coins. Daniel levels up. That's the bad boss. That's me over the rainbow. That's bus 217. That's the boys' baseball field. That's the Linesville Middle School shed. That's the Linesville Middle School field. That's the Linesville Middle School baseball field. I had really fun leveling up today. These must be the boss. That's Roblox Speedrun 4. That's me in level 40. And that's me on level 3. That's me on level 48. That's the trickiest level, level 49. That's level 48. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. So, you know this burger is very good. See? Mmm. 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 This burger is very good. This is the last level. Yes, I won. I had so much fun leveling up in video game land today. What was your favorite part? Yeah, the speedrun Roblox, and the Super Mario coins, and all the bosses. See you soon, everyone. Boomerangs of a bird's feather. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. So, in the afternoon, I'm gonna have my boomerangs outside, but the birdies are coming. They're birdie boomerangs. It's gonna be fun today, but I need your help. Will you help me have fun with my birdie boomerangs? Thanks. Good luck, Boomerang Orange. Psh, it'll be a piece of birdie cake. At least I flew like an age. We would win. You know it's war. Oh, it's been war. The Birdie Boomerangs versus the Australia Boomerang. Our boomerangs will fly all around the field. The first one who comes back down wins. I'll go first. Oh! This'll be a piece of cake. Ooh. So we're calling it a tie. On to the next round. And might I suggest we do it a little trickier? Yeah. I'm down with it. Now, you boomerangs will be flying all around the field. Whoever gets back home first wins. Psh, easy. Allow me. Ooh, my turn. What? Aw, it's a tie again. I look like a great Linesville middle school cheerleader, just like every girl. Let's do some more boomerangs. Ooh. Oh, crud. And looks like Orange Birdie Boomerang wins. Oh, so close. Ooh, it's a tie. Oh, yes. Oh. The blue boomerang wins. On to the next round. Oh. Our turn. A 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. I was super happy for high school. I was super happy for high school, but the days I've been in trouble with my phone at school. I was so in trouble with my phone, with all the times I wanted to be thorough. And I'm starting to realize no one really knows me. What? No one really knows me. Shibby, what? Gonna be just last year's where I got this orange boomerang for Christmas for 26. It does not make any sense. I bought my yellow bus boomerang the day before Saturday. That sounds cool. And set in with all the information that we have now. Could be the stories that connect us somehow. I think we have a theory. You shibby what no one really knows me. Shibby what no one really knows me. Shibby what no one really knows me. I really had fun with my boomerangs today. What was your part? Yeah, the wind, the birdie boomerangs. Happy flying, everyone. Bye-bye.